and this is what I want to talk about today, except in the federal exemptions, there's what they call a wild card or a catch-all exemption, and that's an exemption that can be used for anything. It doesn't have to be a specific category. Anything that doesn't fit somewhere else, you can use the wild card exemption. This is provided for under United States Code 11 United States Code 522 D5. You might hear me call it the D5 every once in a while. And right now, the maximum D5, as of the making of this video, the maximum D5 you can claim is $12,725. Now that's a pretty hefty little number. How that's calculated is you start off with $1,225, just $1,225, and then to that you can add up to another $11,500 from the unused portion of your homestead exemption. So to make this work, it's very important that you have very little or no equity in your homestead. Lately, with the economy as it's been, that hasn't been much of a problem for most of my clients. Most of my clients are coming in here with no equity at all. They're pretty upside down in their homestead. So you've got this, provided you qualify, you've got this $12,725 that you can apply toward anything. All right, well, the question comes then, in some cases, who does that asset or who does that exemption belong to? The thing is that we have individual cases, we also have joint cases. In joint cases, each spouse has a whole $12,725 exemption. Now, you might want to say then that if they each have the $12,725, that then in a joint case you get to double the wild card exemption. Well, that is not exactly how it works. You each have the $12,725, but it never really doubles. What I find myself doing, if we have a case where there's a lot of assets that I need to put in the wild card, and it's a joint case, spouse one, spouse two, husband, wife, debtor, co-debtor, call it what you will, a joint case with two debtors who are married to each other. I have to take a notepad and draw a line down the middle to make sure that I'm not exceeding the limits here, and put one debtor in one line, in one column, and the other debtor in the other column, and start adding up each debtor's assets that are going into the wild card, and make sure that neither one of the two columns exceeds the $12,725 limit.